Welcome to the Investing Addy Decision Map for Snow. The stock is sitting near a critical zone. Should you chase this move, or is it safer to wait for confirmation? With the current price at $254.31 and a bullish trend underway, the big question for investors is whether this momentum can continue without hitting a wall. Right now, chasing Snow at this price area might be considered a wait zone. The stock is approaching a resistance level at $248.41, and while it has shown strong technical signals, jumping in here carries risk. The bullish indicators suggest potential for upward movement, but the proximity to resistance means caution is warranted before making any decisions. A better entry may come if the stock can hold above the support level at $217.84, ideally in a range between $217.84 and $229.71. If the price stabilizes in this area and shows volume confirmation, it could indicate a stronger position for potential buyers. However, if this support fails, the risk increases significantly, suggesting that waiting for a clearer signal might be the wiser approach. For those already holding the stock, considering profit-taking could be prudent if the price approaches the resistance level and momentum shows signs of slowing. The targets of $248.41 and $284.98 may serve as areas to watch closely, especially for short-term traders. If weakness signals emerge as the price nears resistance, it might be time to reassess holdings. If the stock breaks below the critical support level at $217.84 with strong selling volume, the probability of further downside increases. This scenario could lead to a test of lower levels, making it essential to monitor volume and market sentiment closely, as these factors will influence the next steps for Snow. The risk of a downturn could intensify if the stock fails to hold above support, especially if overall market sentiment weakens or if sellers dominate with increased volume. A breakdown below $217.84 could trigger further selling pressure, and any significant movement in that direction should be watched closely to assess potential impacts. In summary, the current view on Snow suggests it's best to wait for confirmation before making any moves. The possible buy zone lies between $217.84 and $229.71, while the risk zone is anything below $217.84. If the stock can push above $248.41, it may open the door to new opportunities. Remember, this is not a buy or sell call. Use this as research support, not financial advice.